Understanding the phrase, pull the trigger, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, pull the trigger. This phrase can be a bit confusing, especially for non-native speakers, as it carries different meanings in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the literal meaning, but also the figurative uses of this expression. So, let's dive in and decode, pull the trigger, together. Pull the trigger literally refers to the action of pulling the trigger of a gun to fire it. This is its most basic and straightforward meaning. In this sense, it is often associated with shooting a firearm. It's important to understand this primary meaning, as it lays the foundation for the figurative uses of the phrase. In a figurative sense, pull the trigger is commonly used to describe making a decision or taking a decisive action, especially after a period of hesitation. This usage draws a parallel between the decisiveness required to shoot a gun and the resolve needed to make a significant choice. For example, if someone says, "I finally pulled the trigger and quit my job," it means they made a big decision, likely after much contemplation. The phrase can also be used in more emotional or social contexts. For instance, saying, "He pulled the trigger on his relationship," could mean that a person decided to end or significantly change the dynamics of their relationship. Here, the phrase emphasizes the seriousness and finality of the decision, much like firing a gun. It's crucial to use this phrase with care, as it involves a gun metaphor which can be sensitive or inappropriate in certain situations. Understanding the context and audience is key. It's generally safe in informal conversations and business settings when discussing decisions, but may not be suitable in more sensitive or formal contexts. And that's a wrap on pull the trigger. We've seen how this phrase works both literally and figuratively, and how its meaning shifts based on context. Remember, idioms like this can add color to your language, but they require a good understanding of their nuances. I hope this video has been enlightening. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in our next video.